Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off location tracking on the Instagram app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your Instagram account and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open up your profile page. Then you want to select the hamburger icon in the top right corner and scroll down underneath where it says the Your App in Media section and select Device Permissions. And then select where it says Location Services. And you might need to turn on or off location service depending on your preference. So right now there's a turn on location service item at the bottom. Then you would continue, or there'd be an option to turn it off, again, depending on what the current setting is, of course. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.